What's the meaning of banner? Banner. Banner.
Banner. Banner. The term banner can refer to a few different things. Generally, a banner is a large piece of cloth or other material that displays text or images and is often used for advertising or decoration. In the context of websites, a banner is a graphic or text element at the top of a page that typically promotes a particular product, service, or brand. Banners can also be used in military contexts, where they may refer to a flag or sign used for identification or communication. Regardless of its specific meaning, a banner is generally designed to catch people's attention and convey important information.